Hi everyone, you're welcome to another video with Ashiwaju. In today's video, I'll be taking you through steps on how you can add someone to your business page, or how you can tell maybe the person you're working with, maybe your client. If you're a seller on Fiverr or Upwork and you want to gain access to your buyer's business page, you just show him this video, or after watching this video, you just tell him, give him an instruction on how to add you. It's very simple and clear and fast. So now let's jump in to the video. Yeah, you're welcome back. So if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn up the bell icon, so you won't miss out my future update. So now let's proceed. Now on the Facebook account, maybe your Facebook account or your client's Facebook account, your buyer, so you tell the buyer to come to the page you want to be added to. Now here's the page, either the page you want to be added to or the page you want to add someone. Now you scroll down and come down to settings. You can see settings. Now after this, you come to page rules. Click on the page rules. This will take you to a page where you can add people. Now before you add people, you need to take note of this. If you want to add someone through their name, then you must have added this person as a friend. Now this person must be your friend of Facebook. Now you just tell the person to add you as a friend, or you add the person you want to add to your page as a friend. Now let's assume I want to add, let me check one of my accounts. Yeah, so here is one of my accounts. So let's add it being I want to add this account on the page. So I'll just search for this account or copy the profile link. You add the person through your profile link, then you just go onto the account. You can just search for the link. You can just search through the link, then add the person as a friend. Send a friend request, and now let's go to the account. Now here's the account, then I confirmed. Now we are now friends. Now you go back to your business page. I refresh the page. Now so we're going to add the user with the name. Now this name, now you just paste the name here, you see. Now you choose either you want this person to be an admin, editor, moderator, advertiser, and an analyst, or you want a costume, like maybe you want a costume work for him. So you just choose, and the best thing you can just choose is either is an editor or an advertiser. So you can just select that, then add. So once you add, you input your password once more. Now so the person is going to receive the invitation. Now if I go on and check the account, now here is the invitation. It pop-ups a few seconds ago. Now here is it. Then I accept the invitation. Once I accept, then I view the page. Now I've been added to the page now as an editor. If I could refresh the page now instead of here the invitation pending, it will no longer be pending. Now you see, now I've been added to the page. Now I've added another account to this page. Now you can see I've added another person to the page as an editor. So this is very, very simple and fast. So that's how you can add people to your business page. It's very simple. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to tap the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss out my future update. Thanks for watching. See you next time.